Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I'm coming at you with the latest TN kit unboxing or flip through, whatever you want to call it. This one I kind of went ham on the die cuts and the journaling cards, so I'll go over those last. Let's go through the papers first. I am by mega request sending these flat, and we'll talk about the shipping and everything. I'll have options for international because I know it's going to be more expensive, so I'll have options for you guys so let's go ahead and go through the papers. So you do have your double-sided papers with the really nice thick paper. I did do a poll on my Facebook group and asked if you guys wanted the more papery paper, and a lot of you guys, well, I would say 75% want this kind of paper. They say it's like sturdier. So this is the first pattern. It's sand with like different like a starfish, a sand dollar, and seashells, and then you have this really cool abstract print on the back. That's the first one, so you do get two of those. And then this is the second set, so this has like pink with like a gold, like a light gold glitter, and then this is just a really pretty pattern with like the strokes, abstract, like little cross hatches, and just super dang cute. Then there is this page, which just has a very, very simple, great for layering sand texture. And then this has some paint strokes that are blue with this like aqua kind of seafoam colored glitter. There is going to be one vellum. I might actually throw in an extra one. I haven't decided yet, but I won't include it in the price. So this is the vellum. It does have the border because we are printing them in shop. The next ones won't have a border, which is super awesome. And there's foil coming for the acetate next month. And then you do have your acetate, which just is like regular printed. There's no like foil or anything on here. And it does, like I said, have the border, but you guys can just trim that down and it will really fit pretty much any. But I love this. I think it turned out so cute. And again, these will be sent flat. And here is the second acetate. And then, like I said, next month we're actually going to have those printed, so there won't be any border. I mean, I really like the quality of these. The color saturation is really pretty, but they're just going to be like more professional. So that is the papers, and these are 8.5 by 11. For shipping purposes, and then it also matches this, and it's just like really, really nice. So super happy with that, and I'm really excited to be sending them flat. It just makes everything so much easier. I don't have the tabs like last month because, you know, that's the way my life goes, but they will be the same as all of the other ones, which just have like the same patterns as these, and you do get 6 tabs. Then we'll go ahead and get into the vinyl die cut. So I do one vinyl die cut in the kit, and this is a seashell, and it's a really pretty pink seashell, which is so cute. These are really nice. They're actually stickers. Well, this one is a sticker, and they are on vinyl that's rated for putting it on like a water bottle, putting it through the dishwasher, or putting them on your car. I haven't tested it on the car, but that's what the like material is rated for. So there is that. I like putting them in my planner and things like that, but it's really cute, really good size. Then we do have a lot of journaling cards. So the first one you have is a 4x6. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. So you do have a 4x6, so you do get 2 of these. So what I did this month is I did do like double, so you could use both of them if you wanted to, or if you have like 2 different TNs that you want to do 2 separate setups, because you do get like a lot of papers, especially if you use like a pocket. You could probably do 2 setups. So I did include 2 cards. So these are both double-sided, and you'll get 2 of them. And that goes for all of the journaling cards this month, just because I figured why not. And if you're already getting, like, let's say, which ones match? Let's find ones that match. So if you were already getting these 2 anyways, I might as well just have the back printed. So you do get 2 of these. And if you like, you know, this one and you really want to use it in your other TN, or you could just go ahead and flip it and use these in like one TN. But I figure it was kind of like versatile, and then you have more options because this is what you would have got. So now you just have 2 options there. Then there's this one, which says your voice was the soundtrack of my summer, which is from a Boys Like Girls song, which I love Boys Like Girls. Every summer has a story, super cute. And then this one just has a hand holding a Polaroid camera. This one's a little calendar card, which I thought was nice. And again, if you like, you're just using this in August, you can totally save this for a different setup and use it in July, or, you know, whatever, if you need to. If you have one for your B6 and one for your pocket. So you have those. And then you also get some smaller ones for like pocket size, but I mean, I use these in my B6 too, especially like clipping them on the top. This one says Aloha, this one says Relax, and then Summer Lovin' and Hello Summer. So super cute. Then I did kind of go ham on the die cuts this month. I think I'm switching up the paper next month for the die cuts just to try something new and then get your guys' feedback on that. I'm actually going to be able to include more, I think. So this one I did do like double, so I did like change the price to kind of include like the double die cuts. So there's like a lot here. Let me actually zoom out because there's a lot. But this art was like my favorite, so I kind of wanted to go a little ham. And I thought it was kind of, again, versatile as far as like, versatile, I'm the worst, as far as like being able to use these in different setups, just because it's just a beach theme, like very classic colors. But yeah, there's a lot more than last month. So those are all of your die cuts. I don't know if you could see them all. Super cute. And then this is on the same paper as the Wizard ones. That's like the nice kind of like semi-gloss. It's more glossy than like a normal die cut paper. So super nice, super thick. And I really love these, especially like the bigger ones, like the seashell. Let me show you guys up next to a, I don't know if I have a pocket. Is this a pocket? That's an A6. Let me grab my pocket. So they're kind of big, but I think that'd be really cute. So you have that and you can stick them in the pockets. Super cute. So that is everything I think I have to show you guys. Again, I don't have the stickers either, but I'll just post a picture of those on Instagram, and those are going to be available in the main shop just to keep the processing and the shipping all good, just because the weights are very, very particular on these. So that's everything that's going to be in there. So these plus the tabs, and then the stickers will be available in the main shop in a little pack, and I'll put those up on the same day that these, and they'll be up for like a while. So if you're not placing an order like today, then you can place an order for them, you know, next Friday or the next Friday, the next Friday. So that's everything. So let's go ahead into the cost. So we're gonna have to ship these in a larger mailer, and the mailer does way more because it is a flat mailer. This has been highly requested for them to be mailed flat, and it just makes everything so much easier. So the mailer itself, so these are going to be $18.95 for everything here, and then in the rigid mailers, that's like the mailers we normally send them in, USA is going to be $3.45, Canada is going to be $15.20, and then international is going to be $22.33. And then just for international, so international and Canada, I'm going to be offering a bubble mailer option. It's not my preferred, but honestly, like, I've tested it and I haven't had any issues with any international customers. There is going to be an option for that for international customers only, just because the shipping for the United States, it only comes down like 15 cents. So I would rather just like $3.45 we're sending it a rigid mailer. But for international Canada, you will have the option, and you're kind of taking the risk, though. Like I said, I haven't had any issues. There'll be a separate listing for the it'll say like international on the top, and you'll be able to select that if you're Canadian or if you're just international. And Canadian shipping in the bubble mailer will be $9.95, and then the international shipping in the bubble mailer will be $13.45. So not much more than our normal sticker prices. It's just the weight of these. I think it's like the paper is very thick, and all of the like die cuts and stuff. There's like a hefty amount of things here. If you can see, there's like a lot of stuff. So it gets a little bit heavy. So that is what we've come up with, and I hope that you guys like that option. I know so many of you guys wanted these shipped flat, and I could go with the cheaper paper option, which is like the papery paper, but I feel like the colors aren't as saturated, and they are like lighter. But you guys seem to really like the thicker paper because you can use them on your own without a dashboard. A lot of people like doing that. So I hope you guys like that. Again, these will be available on Monday at noon Eastern on MoreSPC.com. If you forget that, that will be in the Instagram post, as well as I'll put it down below. Again, there'll be a rigid mailer option for anywhere. So USA is $3.45, Canada will be $15.20, international will be $22.33, and then the bubble mailer option is going to be the $9.95 for Canada and $13.45 for international. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm really excited for this. I'm excited for the summer. It's just really fun. This is probably my favorite paper out of all of them. I think it's so dang cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. These will have a 2 to 3 week processing like all of our TN kits do, but as soon as we get them done, we like to ship them out as soon as possible. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys. Oh, and there's obviously going to be a sneak card, but I'm not going to show it to you, but I'll talk to you guys in my next video.